Last month, a rare tornado touched down in the city of Port Orchard. The National Weather Service says the tornado was a Category EF2 with speeds ranging between 120 to 130 miles per hour. Not long after that, a string of windstorms made a huge mess across the region. Some people didn't have power, in some cases for 3 days. Now, as you see in that video, the damage was bad, down trees and debris basically everywhere. We talked to the experts at PEMCO Insurance about what's covered and what's not in cases just like that.
A lot of people are surprised to find out that if a neighbor's tree falls onto their property or onto their house and damages it, it's your insurance company that will have to pay things out. And that's because a tree falling over is usually considered an act of nature unless the neighbor knew that the tree was dying and did nothing about it.
So Derek Wing, who you just heard from PEMCO Insurance, says you should keep in good communication with your neighbor in case something like this happens. Now, here are some examples of what homeowners insurance usually covers. Things like windstorm damage, like peeled roof shingles, structure damage from fallen trees, water damage from burst pipes, damage from lightning, power outages, and electrical surges. Flooding, other than from burst pipes and mudslide damage, is likely not covered by homeowners insurance. You would have to talk with your insurance company about a separate policy. Now, power outages are common during windstorms. We know that. PEMCO says most policies would cover electronics and appliances that got fried in a lightning strike or power surge. They would also cover spoiled food, but PEMCO advises to think twice before filing a claim.
Because once you pay the deductible, you may not be getting that much money back after that, and sometimes if you file a claim, you will lose your claim-free discount. So if that happens to you, you want to think long and hard about whether it's really worth it to file the claim or just pay it out of pocket.
Well, if your home is damaged, you should save receipts for temporary repairs, but don't start any permanent repairs, they say, until you've talked with your insurance company.